you skip ahead, to the very end of the paper,
Page 30.
page 32, right before acknowledgements, equation 128.
Okay.
There's my square root for the hyperbolics that I mentioned to you a while ago. It's in this paper.
That's nasty.
Isn't it?
That's so nasty.
That's right. That was an idle curiosity. I was like,
Oh, I like how just a random root 2/2 comes out though.
I know, like I was working on it and then it just like kept simplifying and like after about a half page of algebra I got this formula, I'm like, I'll stick it in the paper, why not? We will continue on with our quest to understand how to deal with polynomials over the algebra and everything. It's I feel like Nathan, I mean this part, I think this part of the paper Nathan was the pioneer here because he's the one who found the like lemma 5.3. I'd never seen that before. I don't know where he found that. But that's a known result for real differential operators. But when he wrote this, it was in the midst of him writing his 3 other papers where he spent a long time thinking about how to factor polynomials over an algebra. And so I think the thought that you need to prove this factor theorem here, maybe that was already done in one of his other papers, which is why he felt no obligation to like say anything here.
How many papers did you write?
3. It might even be in this paper, and I just have skipped over it,
Yeah.
So I'll try to do some reading, and let's see if I can tell you better next time.
How close are we to getting a question for me to do?
I think we're close. I mean, you could try that one we found last time. Like, what can we say about exact equations? We can try that. I mean, really anything that you see as not being answered here that, something you want to like try to dig into. Nothing has stuck out at me as nothing leapt out the page at me yet, but could be hiding in plain sight. Yeah, Nathan's papers are linked to my website. But I haven't talked to Nathan in a while. I need to call him up and say, hey,
He goes to Tulane, I see.
he is, as far as I know, out of school at the moment.
He finished, or?
Took a gap year or something, and
Oh.
as I understand, he got married.
Oh, congrats.
So. Yep.
Oh yeah, let me show you what that professor sent me.
I told Nathan, oh, okay.
So yeah, he sent me the link to AMS programs for students to look at REUs.
He doesn't prove it. He claims that the division algorithm is shown in McCoy's book. I'm reading from section 4 of Nathan's paper. What did you say about? I'm sorry. Nathan distracted me.
No, you're good. Oh no, he just sent me the site of to where they're gonna post the Georgia one. I think you've seen it before.
So he's not machine learning. He's something else, huh?
No, he's topology.
Okay.
That's just a whole bunch of random ones. Which I don't even know if I want to do topology. I like algebra so much; it's so nice.